Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great learning this language great way. Today I'm talk about you how to improve my English at home. Yes guys. Uh, few days uh, few days ago I could not able to speak one sentence. But I'm little bit I'm speak. I have lots of grammatical mistake, but without mistake you will not learn this. You will not learn this because mistakes you are mistakes your learning process, yeah, but you will rectify the mistakes. We will rectify the mistakes because you will not rectify these mistakes. You will not make this the correct sentence. We will not learn this language, yeah. Every day I'm talk to the co-learners. Every day I have recording myself, yeah. Every day I use this the shadowing technique, yeah. And I'm little bit I'm speak, yeah. And every day I learn this vocabulary because I have learned this vocabulary. I have lots of make this the sentence, yeah. And every day I'm speak to the co-learners, yeah. And every day I talk to the myself every day. I'm little bit I'm speak to in my mind, yeah. I'm thinking English because you will not think in English, you will not speak very well, okay. uh, my English is few days ago, I my English is so weak. I i i have not give this my introductions, yeah. I will not speak to the one. I could not able to speak one sentence, yes guys. But I have lots of practicing. I have lots of talk to the co-learners, yeah. This is my practice, okay. And I have improved and I am so happy. I'm so proud of you myself, okay. Thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak, and you can improve your English. Bye bye.